Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with GitHub Actions secrets securely, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with GitHub Actions secrets securely, start by navigating to your GitHub repository. Click on the Settings tab in the menu. In the sidebar, locate the Secrets and Variables section. Select Actions to access your secrets. Click on the New Repository Secret button. Enter a name for your secret in the name field. Remember, secret names should be descriptive and clear. Next, enter the value of your secret in the value field. Once done, click the Add Secret button to save it. Now that you have created a secret, open your GitHub Actions workflow file. This file is generally located in the .github/workflows directory. In your workflow YAML file, reference your secret using the syntax $secrets.name_of_your_secret. For example, if your secret is named my_secret, use $secrets.my_secret in your code. Make sure to replace name_of_your_secret with the actual name you provided earlier. You can use this secret in various steps within your GitHub Actions workflow. For sensitive commands, ensure they are included within encrypted contexts to enhance security. Always validate your secrets before deploying to production. Once you have finished configuring your workflow, commit and push your changes. Your workflow will now authenticate using the GitHub Actions secrets securely. Monitor the Actions tab to ensure everything runs smoothly. If you encounter any errors related to secrets, verify their names and access permissions. Keep your secrets up to date and review them regularly for security best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.